How's the drive, Brody? All the way from New Jersey. My boy came out to show his love. That's a real one right there. Those are hard to find. Looks like this type are, cause she. Shout out your channel, bro. Where you from? Tell me where you from. Tell me what you do.
Service by Serta. I do it all.
Does it all. German, Japan, European, you name it. We're gonna get it done for you, and you're gonna get it done right.
In Jersey, come to German Motors. I'll take care of you.
And you're gonna take care of you right. That's coming from me. The dog. What's going on, fellas? We having a good time. A little bit of rain, but never hurt nobody.
I think it stopped raining.
It did stop raining.
Hey, what's up with them Volume Performance?
What's up? What's up? What you need, dog? We got it all. Tell them what you need. Tell them what you need.
You wanna know what I need? I need that shirt and I need that sticker.
Tell them where to find it.
You know what you find that Volume Performance and oh, if you need your car one time about Mr. Man right here behind the camera, he told me over here. He said he told you though.
Y'all heard the man. He ain't a liar. Man of his word.
They got a flash ass sticker.
So look at this pulling up. What we got going on over here, Mike? Some two-step prep?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna make this just a tad bit louder. See if we can't take out the whole competition. This is a crowd judge event. It's up to you guys to pick the winner. All right? No fair, no cheating. Pick the loudest one. Who want to go first? Who want to go first? Let's hear it for the Mustang. Who we got for the Mustang? Integra? That sounded a little even. All right, what do we got for the Mustang? Integra? Alrighty, I think the Integra took that one. I'm sorry, buddy. Let's go ahead and let's park back. You can back up to your spot real quick. We'll get the next two over there. That test pipe made all the difference.
Direct the cars to the back, the people to the back of the cars.
Yeah.
That way they hear it.
Yours is in the center though.
Hey, it ain't back.
We're gonna do one at a time, right? You wanna go first or you wanna go second? We'll hit you second. Come on up, come on up. Second contestant, we got an Acura RSX full bolt-on versus full bolt-on 10th Gen SI. Alright, we're gonna do one at a time. You wanna go first?
Sure, why not?
Alright, whenever you're ready. We got Dre's RSX versus Jay's SI. Alright, Jay. That's a little close. Alright, Dre, hit it again. They sound so similar. They really do. Alright, Jay, hit it. Oh, he turned it up. Alright, let's hear it for the RSX. Let's hear it for the SI. RSX. SI? I'm gonna have to give that one to the SI, my dude. Does everybody agree, SI? We're looking for an Audi. Stay right here, Jay. You're going up against the Audi. You just advanced to the next round. You made it to the next round. How you feeling?
Good.
What do we got the two-step set at?
6.
We're gonna set it up higher a little bit more.
Huh? You hope.
We're gonna see what happens. All right, we're going up against a boost. Is that Audi boosted? He knows it's boosted. You know what you want to tell us. You know the truth. All right, pull out the air plug. Woo! All right, we got a boosted Audi versus a boosted SI. This is third round. This is semifinals. All right, we ready? Is everybody ready? We all ready? All right, Jay, hit it. All right, let's hear it from the Audi. All right, let's try that side. I need to hear them both at the same time. I like the turbo noises. Hit them, hit them, hit them, hit them. Woo! Was that enough? Do we have enough to the side? All right, let's hear it for the Civic. Let's hear it for a Civic. All right, let's hear it for the Audi. Okay, I think we have a very clear winner on that one. All right, Jay. You've been knocked out, buddy. I'm sorry. You're good. You're good try. Good try. Semi-finals, though. Yeah, we go around. All right, we made it to the finals. Where are my finalists at? We got, what's his name again?
Lewis.
We got Lewis and his Audi in the finals of the Valley Performance 2-step contest. Going up against my boy Mike in the right-hand drive Peggy. He went in backwards.
At least I can angle the sound backwards.
All right, we got Mike in his DA and we got Lewis in his DC. My bad, the DC part and the Audi. I'm getting confused. All right, we all ready? We got the finals. Who we think gonna win? All right, go ahead, hit it, Mike. All right, let's hear the Audi. All right, let's hear the Teggy. Okay. The Audi one more time. All right, now we gotta hear them both. Make some noise. Thank you both for playing. I appreciate both of you guys coming to the meet. I got a couple goodies for you, so come back and see me again. And then I got your first place prizes over there for you, buddy.
All right, man.
Go ahead and park it back up. All right, and for the first place winner, we have a bag of a lot of goodies, a lot of Valley Performance merchandise, block merchandise, and a free full synthetic oil change from my guy over here. All right, congratulations, my boy. You took home first place. Here's all your goodies. Put it out. We have a gift certificate for a full synthetic oil change here at Hassle's Garage.
Nice.
We have a couple Valley Performance merchandise as well as Blocks Racing merchandise. And a very big appreciative thank you for coming. And we appreciate you guys having all these guys.
I think he just blew his engine.
Place the alley. Is everybody ready? Everybody got the tickets out? All right, Alexis, pick one.
Pick one.
Pick one. Come on, Alexis.
One, Alexis, one.
All righty. All righty, everybody got tickets? Randy Soto. Soto? Randy Soto?
There you go.
Thank you.
Randy, first place.
Appreciate it.
$100 block racing
Thank you.
certificate. And all your block racing
Appreciate it.
goodies.
Thanks.
Thank you for playing. Thank you for coming.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate you. All right, the second drawing is going to be for a free full synthetic oil change here at Hassle's Garage and a couple other Valley Performance merchandise and block racing goodies. Alexis? Can't really pick it if you're not here. Just one. Trying to go pick. Kira?
Uh-oh.
She was there, right? You get
Want to beach, no?
Oh, you
want to do whatever?
choose two, whichever one you want. Yeah, one more. We'll do one more. We got plenty of stuff to give away. So might as well.
Go, Mama, go.
Mason Carvalho. Mason Carvalho. You got a Mason? I was looking up. I was expecting somebody tall. I was expecting somebody a lot taller. I'm sorry. Alright, that's going to be all for the raffle time. Thank you everybody once again for coming and showing your love and support. I appreciate every single one of you guys that came out to show your support. We're just getting started and we're looking forward to maybe doing a lot more of these throughout the year. Thank you.